Good morning, student. Today we will discuss new topic probability. In the 7th class and 8th class, 7th class it is a 16 number chapter, in 8th class it is a 20 number chapter. And same topics there, probability. Before probability, we will discuss about the chance. We have three type of things. Maybe something is impossible, may be possible or certain. Impossible, it means it never will be happen. Possible, may be happen. Certain, surely happen. See the example, the sun rises in the east. We know that sun always rises in the east. This is a certain event. ये जो condition है, sun rises in the east, we know it is sure. It means it is a certain chance. And possible, suppose you buy a ticket, then maybe it is possible that you win or maybe lose. So it is only possibility, it is not sure that you will win for this. Impossible, suppose if we want to compare our height with the giraffe, we never be taller than the giraffe. So it is always impossible. कोई चीज जो possible हो ही नहीं सकती है, that is impossible. This is related to chance. There is some cases you can say like this. If we toss a coin, अगर हम कोई coin को toss करते हैं, तो what is the possibility? Possibility that may be head or may be tail. And there are only two cases, head or tail. It means there is a possibility of chances that is called equally likely. Means जितना head आने की probability, जितना head आने की chances है, उतना ही tail आने की भी chances होंगे. Okay, more likely. Suppose you have one basket. In this basket, you have this one orange and two bananas. Then what is the possibility to take a banana from it? If we are taking a banana from it, without seeing in this, बिना बास्केट में देखे उस बनाना को लेने की प्रोबेबिलिटी या बनाना को लेने की चांसेस क्या होंगे? बहुत ही कम होंगे, बिकॉज these are oranges are more than banana, but the chances of getting orange is more than banana. So this type of event is called more likely. This is even likely if we have equal chances, and this is more likely. Or less likely or unlikely, suppose you have 13 cards. In 13 cards, you have 10 black color cards and one red, there are 13 cards and 11 black color card and 2 red color card. Then what is the possibility of getting red color card? This is very less possibility, that when you choose one card without seeing it, then it will be red. So this is less likely chances. So there are three type of chances equally likely. It means if you have 50-50, more likely if you have possibility more than something, or if you have less than something, then it is less likely. And we have three type of cases: impossible, possible or certain. See the example. See, we have to choose. Once some statements are given to you and we have to choose that this statement is related to possible, impossible or certain. You will throw a 7 with a normal die. हमने एक डाइस लिया है, हम उसको थ्रो कर रहे हैं, उसमें 7 आने की चांसेस कैसे हैं? पॉसिबल, इम्पॉसिबल और स्ट्रेट. We know that on a die we have only 6 numbers. So never we will get 7. So this is a impossible. Your friend will call you tonight. तुम्हारा फ्रेंड तुम्हें आज कॉल करेगा. Maybe it is possible. Impossible, We can't say this is impossible, we can't say this is certain. Certain means sure. We don't know about the surety. So, we are in confusion. Only we can say maybe. So, it is only possible case. A cat will give birth to puppies next year. No, it is impossible. Thursday will be the day after Wednesday next week. Wednesday के बाद में Thursday आएगा, ये sure है. It means it is a certain. You will have cornflakes, samosas and toast in your breakfast today. Maybe it is possible only, not impossible and not certain. It will winter in Australia when it is summer in India. Yes, right. जब यहाँ पे summer होता है तब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में winter होता है. It is a certain. You will be able to see a live dinosaur in a city zoo. No, this time we can't see the dinosaur, so it is a impossible. You will be awarded a prize for your good performance. Maybe it is possible. Now categorize each outcome as likely or unlikely. Likely or unlikely में भी क्या था? Even likely, more likely, less likely. हमें बताना है only likely और unlikely कि वो चीज़ हो सकती है या नहीं हो सकती है. See here, you will not get reservation in the train due to heavy दशहरा rush. It is likely, maybe हमें दशहरा rush के कारण में ट्रेन की टिकट नहीं मिलेगी. Your friend will go to the moon next month. No, it is unlikely. We can't say someone in your class will be absent next week. Maybe एक ना एक student तो absent रहता ही है. So this is a likely case. It will snow in Missouri in January. This is also likely. There will be floods in Delhi in March next year. We don't know about this condition. So this is unlikely. You will become an army officer when you grow up. Maybe. So this is likely. There is a chances that we can become an army officer. So this is the likely cases. In the similar way, there is a questions related to likely, unlikely, possible, impossible, certain events. Okay. Now these questions are related to chances. That chances are divided into these parts. That chances may be possible, impossible or certain. Or in the possible chances may be likely or unlikely, even likely also divided, even likely, more likely or less likely. कि किसी के होने के 50-50% चांस है, then we can say equal likely. अगर किसी के 70-30 है, तो 70 जो केस है, we can say more likely. और अगर 30 जिसके लिए केस है, that is less likely. Okay, now see the probability. Probability क्या होता है? Probability भी outcome को ही represent करता है, chances के outcome को represent करता है. कि अगर किसी के होने के chances 50-50% है, तो we can say it has probability 50%. किसी के 100% chances है, किसी condition को sure होने में 100% chances है, it means it is a sure condition, so 100% probability. और कोई इवेंट ऐसा है जो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, दैट इज इम्पॉसिबल, इट मीन्स इट हैज 0% probability. So probability also divided into if it is value. Probability value of probability varies between 0 to 1. Probability never will be greater than 1. So this value varies between 0 to 1. If probability value is 0, then this type of event means something, कोई घटना हो रही है उसको हम event कहते हैं. That event, this event, probability of that one event is 0, then it means it is a impossible event. It means वो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता है. और if probability of any event is 1, it means this is a sure event. Means उसमें कोई changes नहीं हो सकता है, वो 100% sure है. If 1/4, then we can say it is unlikely. मतलब बहुत कम chances होंगे उसके होने के. If half, it means जैसे हम किसी coin को toss करते हैं तो there is a possibility maybe head or maybe tail. We don't have any other condition in it. So it has 50-50%, 50% chances to get a head or tail. It means this time probability becomes half, 1/2. 3/4, इट मीन्स मोर लाइकली कि किसी इवेंट के होने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा है. वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट बट इट हैज़ मोर चांसेस. It means it is more likely. So now see some questions related to this. There are 7 red and 3 green marbles in a jar. Probability related question. There are 7 marbles, 7 red and 3 green marbles in a jar. Ankit draws 1 marble without looking. What are the outcome? Means ये किस टाइप का आउटकम है? रेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी और ग्रीन आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी. विच इज मोर लाइकली? मोर लाइकली मीन्स अगर हम एक बॉल को ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं उस जार में से, बॉल निकाल रहे हैं उस जार में से, तो मोर लाइकली इवेंट कौन सा होगा? रेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होगी या फिर ग्रीन आने की? We can see easily that there are total 10 marbles but we have more marbles red. So this red marble is more likely cases. And green marble we can say less likely. Another question, Ayushri wants to eat fruit at lunch time. She picks up an item without looking. Which fruit is more likely to be picked up? Give reason. In a basket there are number of mangoes. We can say mangoes and oranges in a basket. Mangoes we have 10 and oranges we have 3. Then which is less likely in this case? Without looking. अगर हम उस basket को नहीं देख रहे हैं, we are directly choosing one fruit, then which is the less likely? Obviously less likely is a orange. Then orange. A pupil's name is to be chosen from Mr. Brown's class by drawing chits bearing name. एक चिट्स पे नेम लिख दिए गए हैं, उसमें से हम चूज कर रहे हैं. There are 25 chits, 18 with names of girls and 7 with names of boys. Which is more likely to be chosen? Obviously girl, because there are 25 chits of the girl. Sorry, 18 chits of the girl and a boy or a girl. मीन्स मोर लाइकली क्या है कि वो चिट बॉय के नाम की होगी या गर्ल के नाम की होगी. तो 18 चिट्स गर्ल्स के नाम की है, तो ऑब्वियसली मोर लाइकली इज द दैट इज अ गर्ल. ओके, नाउ सी द क्वेश्चंस, हाउ टू सॉल्व इट. व्हाट आर द चांसेस? ए कॉइन इज टॉस्ड, इट कैन लैंड हेड और टेल. द चांस ऑफ इट्स लैंडिंग हेड इज 1/2. हाउ? किसी भी कॉइन के जब हमने टॉस किया है तो उसमें चांस ऑफ इट लैंडिंग हेड इज 1/2. हाउ? सी हियर, व्हेन यू टॉस ए कॉइन देयर आर 2 पॉसिबिलिटी, देयर आर 2 चांसेस, मे बी हेड एंड मे बी टेल. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर्मूला? प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट? दैट पॉसिबल आउटकम डिवाइड बाय टोटल आउटकम. Probability of any event is equal to possible outcome divided by total outcome. So when you toss a coin, there are 2 events, head or tail. So total outcome is 2. What is the probability of getting head? Head आने की probability. Head एक ही बार आ सकता है, so it means 1 divide by total outcome 2. 1/2 means if we want to change into the percentage, it becomes 50%. So 50% chances होंगे किसके? head, getting head, and 50% chances of getting tail. In a dice, if we throw a dice, अगर हम किसी डाइस को थ्रो करते हैं, what is the probability of getting 3? So see, remember your dice. Dice क्या होता है? जो हम लूडो खेलते हैं उस बार को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डाइस. उस डाइस पे अगर हम देखेंगे तो मार्किंग लिखी होती है 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 डॉट 2 डॉट 3 डॉट लाइक दिस. तो इट मीन्स 1 कितने टाइम्स होता है उस डाइस पे? ओनली 1 टाइम. 2 1 टाइम, 3 1 टाइम, 4 1 टाइम, 5 1 टाइम, 6 1 टाइम. इट मीन्स टोटल आउटकम तो कितने हो गए? 6. लेकिन हमें चाहिए व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 3. 3 होता कितने टाइम से उस डाइस पे? ओनली 1 टाइम. इट इज द व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 3? दैट इज 1/6. ये कह दिया जाए व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 5 more than 5 more than 4 on this dice. उस डाइस पे more than 4 कितने नंबर है? पॉसिबल आउटकम more than 4 कितने नंबर्स होंगे? More than 4 we have 5 and 6. It means 2 numbers are there which is more than 4. So possible outcome हो गए 2. टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम डाइस पे टोटल नंबर कितने होते हैं? 6. So what is the probability of getting more than 4? That is equal to 1/3. If you want to change into the percentage, then just multiply by 100. Another C. A jar contains 3 white, 4 blue, 2 green marbles. एक जार में 3 white, 4 blue और 2 green marbles है. If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, what is the probability that the marble is white? इस जार में से white की probability कितनी होगी? white marble होने की probability कितनी होगी? White, how many white marbles here? 3. So probability of white marbles, possible outcome 3. Total outcome, total number of balls कितनी है? 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 9, that is equal to 1/3. Similarly, note red. Your one question is probability of getting note red. 3 white, 4 blue. Okay. Not red. So you can see in these 3 there is no one red ball. So this all one, if we are choosing one ball from this, then we can choose any color balls. No one ball is in red color. So what is the probability of not red? It means इसमें से red नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो हम कोई भी बॉल अगर उसमें से पिक करते हैं तो उसमें रेड कलर नहीं होगा. Then we can say 3 plus 4 7 plus 2, that is 9/9 is equal to 1. It means 100%. और रेड, तो इसमें से कोई भी बॉल रेड नहीं है तो हम किसी भी बॉल को पिक करेंगे तो रेड नहीं आएगा. इट मीन्स दिस बिकम्स इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. यहाँ रेड है ही नहीं तो वी कैन नॉट चूज द रेड बॉल. सो दिस बिकम्स द इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट एंड इन दिस केस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रेड इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन सी. A dice tossed 1. What is the probability of the number 7 coming up? What is the probability of a number less than 7 coming up? जब हम एक डाइस को थ्रो करते हैं तो उस पर 7 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस 7 डाइस पे नहीं होता है तो दिस बिकम्स इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. इट मीन्स इट हैज प्रोबेबिलिटी 0. और लेस देन 7, देन ऑल द नंबर्स आर लेस देन 7, देन इट बिकम्स प्रोबेबिलिटी 1. It becomes sure event and then probability of sure event is 1. A card is drawn from a pack of 100 cards numbered 1 to 100. Find the probability of drawing a number which is a square. एक कार्ड है जिसपे 100 कार्ड्स हैं और उन कार्ड्स में से स्क्वायर कार्ड्स आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी होगी? तो यू कैन सी स्क्वायर कार्ड्स होते कौन कौन से? 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 5 का 25, 6 का 36, 7 का 49, 8 का 64, 9 का 81 एंड देन 100. So how many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards. Okay, see again what is the question here. A card is drawn from a pack of 100 cards numbered 1 to 100. Find the probability of drawing a number which is a square. 100, 1 to 100 card, then square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Then what is the probability of getting square number card? Then total square number card 10 here, then possible outcome 10, total outcome 100. Then probability is 10 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 10 here. Now see, pack of cards. There are 52 cards in a pack of cards. In these 52 cards, 4 types of cards we know: club 13 cards, diamond 13 cards, heart 13 cards, spade 13 cards. Diamond and heart 13 red color cards, club and spade 13 black color cards. Now see the question, how many red cards are there? And find the probability of drawing a red card from the well shuffled pack of cards. See, total number of red card here 13 plus 13, 26. Then probability is 26 divided by 52. How many hearts are there? Hearts how many? Only 13. And find the probability of drawing a heart. It means probability is equal to possible outcome 13 and total outcome 52. Then probability is equal to 13 by 52, that is equal to 1 by 4. What is the probability of drawing a queen? How many queens in there? In the pack of cards there are 4 queens, 4 jack, 4 queen, 4 king and 4 ace. So here total 4 queen. So probability of getting queen is equal to 4 divided by 52, 1 by 13 here. What is the probability of drawing a black jack? Jack, there are total 4 jack, 2 red jack, 2 black jack. Then what is the probability of getting a black jack? That is equal to 2 by 52. So students, now your probability chapter complete. It is a 7th class 16 number chapter and 8th class 20 number chapter. Do complete in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.